y'all. So today I am going to share with you how to use multiple payment options when you want to place an order on your workstation. So, you should be on the Orders tab of your workstation. And then you're going to go to, you can do this either on a party or an individual order. Today, I'm just going to show you how to do it on an individual order. So you're going to click individual order. We can just use myself today. Save and continue. And let's add some products to our carts. So maybe your people who are watching this video are probably wondering how to do the buy 5 get 1 free Scentsy bars. So I'm going to slowly type that. So it's called 6. And I like to just use the 6 because it'll show you all the different buy 5 get 1 frees that we have. So the first one, you can get buy 5 get 1 free scent circles. And if you're watching, please don't pay attention to the euro amount. Just pay attention to the PRV amount because the PRV amount is the same as the US dollar amount, okay? So I want you to scroll down until you get the 6 Scentsy bars for the 30 PRV, $30 for the US. You're going to click Add. And then a pop-up is going to appear, Build Your Bundles. And you can click on them with fragrance family or alphabetical order. Alphabetical order might be easier for you as you're getting started. So we can just do some Amazon Rains really quickly. Save and add bundle, and you'll see it's on here. When you're ready, click checkout. And then you can, as soon as you enter one card's information, a pop-up will appear, and then it will highlight red. Pay different amount or pay the total to submit the order, okay? Once you fill out the first credit card, then these red buttons will appear, and if you want to pay with multiple credit cards, you will want to select pay different amount, okay? Also, you're probably wondering what the other options are. PayPal is pretty self-explanatory. Pay Portal is going to be where your Scentsy salary is every month. And product credit is if you receive awards such as your Sensational Start Award. Well, that money goes right here as a product credit when you want to pay for Scentsy. So you just simply enter the first credit card, enter that information, then you click pay different amount. And let's say you wanted to do half and half. Maybe you have some friends that wanted to save money. So you did 3 bars for her, 3 bars for the other girl. So that would be, so one 6-pack is $30 plus the taxes and shipping. So you can just do like $15 for this person, $15 for the next one. So you would just type this person's credit card information, pay different amount. A pop-up will appear that says, okay, you know, how much do you want to put on that card? And you would select $15. So I hope that makes sense and that was helpful. If not, please send me a message.